BVM, short for Business Value Monitoring, is an high-tech bodyguard that looks after the KPIs that really matter in your business. For example, a BVM installation can track and relate traffic, shopping carts, and purchases of an e-commerce website. Or it can track whether airline tickets turn into check-ins and then actual boarding. With BVM, a company can focus on running the core business and offload to an expert team of engineers the burden of cross-cutting concerns like troubleshooting business transactions, monitoring system health, detecting cyber attacks, scheduling maintenance. With BVM, what matters the most is being taken care of and issues are addressed before they hit you. You mean this? This is just a sample high-tech bodyguard that looks after over 1,000 power plants, over 50,000 physical devices scattered along over 20 countries for over 36 gigawatts of power. Not too bad, isn't it?